Hey guys, Jason Stokes with the Kelly Automotive Group, Kelly Buick GMC, Big Bend Chevrolet, Kelly Used Trucks in Lakeland, and our Auburndale, Winter Haven locations, all on one website, kellyautomotivegroup.com. Every time we have natural disasters, mostly hurricanes, we always do what we can do to reach out. When they're closer to home, we can do more. When the hurricanes came through the Keys, we shipped vehicles down for the municipalities, police, and law enforcement to use because their vehicles were destroyed. We also helped a lot of people get loans and vehicles replaced quicker than they normally would by taking in their damaged vehicles instead of waiting on the insurance company and getting them in new loans. When we did that, we secured special financing for those people through our lenders. We have a very large lender base, and we have made that agreement with them to use in these situations. So I reached out yesterday to all those lenders, and we absolutely have that program in place for anyone that was involved in the hurricane areas that we most recently had. I know you're a long way away. We do a lot of things to try to bridge that gap, from flying you here, from looking at your trade on a sight unseen basis and us picking it up even if it's flooded or damaged, to actually physically putting the vehicle that you're looking to purchase on a truck and sending it to you. We have a lot of different ways to help. It's not just a sales tactic. We don't have a lot of inventory. We're in the same position that most dealerships are, where inventory is almost impossible to get, but we want to help, and we will help if we can. Reach out to us at the kellyautomotivegroup.com. Make sure you look at our out-of-state buyers page. Our marketing and media team is putting together a page that is based on disaster relief victims, and we'll do our best to help you in any way or fashion that we can, whether it's a brand new GMC, new Buick, new Chevrolet, or any of our pre-owned vehicles. Wish you guys the best, and let us know how we can help. Thanks.